What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's Payton, and today I'm back with another hair review, bringing y'all this bomb wig that I got from LuvmeHair. I'm actually so excited to bring you guys this hair review, so don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get into it.
You know what I really hate? But y'all not listening to that conversation. I don't know, it just felt like so satisfying.
Alright, y'all, let's go ahead and get into it. So this is the wig that they sent me. Sorry, the box was a little bit beat up, but this wig did come pretty fast. It took 3 days to come. This was the packaging. It was super cute. I've always seen so many people talk about LuvmeHair all over TikTok and Instagram, so I was super excited for this collab today. They sent me a little wig band, and this was just the band that goes inside of the wig. And then they also sent me this little thank you card with the wig hair care guide, which is very useful to maintain your wigs and keep up with them. Then they also have like how to return and how to contact them if you need any assistance. They also sent some HD wig caps, and they sent this little mesh drawstring bag. I want to say this is for the wig, but it was kind of small, so I don't know. I'll probably still put my wig in here after I take it off my head. And this was the wig that they sent me. This is their all-day comfort wig, 180% density, loose body wave, 7x5 closure with HD lace. And then it has bangs. They're already pre-cut. It already comes curled. And basically this wig is ready to go fresh out of the box. And I really do love this wig. I'm not gonna lie. It's so comfortable. It's so snug. It honestly don't matter what the lace look like because of the bangs, but I love the way that the bangs are cut. You guys are going to see really soon, but I was just showing you guys the construction of the wig. It has a comb, and then you just put the elastic band on the inside. So it was super easy to install. Literally just put the band around the back of my head and plopped it on, and look how good it looked already. I mean, okay, this is not the final look, but this is like my second bang wig that I've tried, and I'm not going to hold you. The bang wigs are just, I don't know, they're so tea to me, and I get a lot of compliments with how bangs look on me. So this wig made me feel super duper confident, and I really do like that. So I first started off by putting some BioSilk oil all on the hair, just to give it a little bit of shine and volume. And then I used my T3 curling iron. Oh my gosh, shout out to my mom for buying me this for my Christmas gift. I love her so much. I sprayed some heat protectant on the hair. I brushed the curls out, and I basically just started using my curling iron. Y'all, I'm not gonna lie, this is not a curling tutorial because I honestly have a long way to go with curling my hair, but trust me when I say this, I've gotten so much better recently. Like, the curls was eating. I don't know, like, I can't really sit up here and tell y'all how to do it. I just do it be feeling right. Does that make sense? I'm not gonna lie, I did have to call Paris and get a little bit of help for the bang, but it was super duper easy. Like, you do not have to be a professional to style this wig, especially if you just want to get it straight out the box. I just recommend recurling it so that the curls look a little bit fresh, and then just combing through the curls. And that's all I did. This probably took me like 10 minutes. I was curling the curls away from my face, and for the bang I curled it towards my face, and I honestly just let it sit for like 30 seconds. And I did end up trimming the bangs a little bit because they're super duper long, like even when I pulled the wig back a little bit. So yeah, I just used a little razor. I am not a professional, y'all, so I feel like this is a very beginner friendly wig. If you want to get into wigs and you don't know what the flip you're doing, I feel you, because I don't know how to cut my hair. I barely know how to curl my hair, and I feel like this look was eaten like I came out the hair salon. I don't know. Y'all let me know what y'all think though. So this is basically how the wig and the curls came out, and I just took some Tresemme holding spray and I just sprayed them. These curls did last me like all night. I actually went to go stream after this and it was so funny. If y'all didn't, y'all should go watch my Payday Live Galentine stream. Y'all, it was a crazy stream. I use this Renutrients slick stick and I just used this to tame my flyaways at the top, and I low-key could have pressed the top of my hair down a little bit more. I did it the next day though, because I couldn't really see like the back of my head until after I seen this footage, but it was still looking good. Like, I got so many compliments with bangs, y'all. Like, y'all been telling me y'all love them a lot. I love them a lot. I feel like bangs are so perfect if you a big forehead baddie like me, okay? And this wig is tea. You can see all 180% density. This wig is thick, this wig is long, this wig is pretty. 24 inches, and yeah, this look to me was like a 10 out of 10. I love bangs on me, so I think y'all will like them too. I'm gonna show you guys one more hairstyle that I did. This is like my favorite hairstyle to do with a bang closure wig. This hairstyle though, I did have to glue my lace down. I was using my Kiss Lace Wonder Spray. I love this stuff. I don't even have to use a blow dryer. You can dead let this spray air dry. Like, that's how good this spray is. It's so much better than Eben. Y'all, for years I was looking for like a spray better than Eben, and I found it. It's this Kiss spray. Y'all, please go buy it. Like, you can get it from Target, you can get it from Amazon. Anyway, I sprayed that down and I used a little fan to let it dry. As you guys can see, that lace was stuck. And then I cut some edges, some baby hair, and I did a little cute half up, half down. I'm not gonna lie, guys, I was filming a TikTok while I was filming this, so it was like parts that I kept forgetting to record. I didn't record myself putting the shit into a half up, half down, but I just sectioned the closure and I just put the ponytail up high. I honestly could have made the ponytail like a little bit more flat with my pressing comb, but I was kind of in a rush because I was about to go out, so yeah, it still came out cute though. And then I recurled my bang and I curled the hair again, as you guys are going to see in a second. And after that, I used some more heat protectant. I curled it and it came out so cute. Y'all about to see. This is literally my favorite hairstyle to do. I don't know, it just gives like super cute, youthful. This wig honestly had me feeling like the black Sabrina Carpenter. I don't know, I love Sabrina Carpenter's hair. I know she be wearing wigs, and like her hair is just so cute and big and fluffy, and I love her bangs. Like, they just make her look so cute. And this hairstyle, oh, so tea. Oh my god, 10 out of 10. I love this wig. I love bang wigs, and honestly, LuvmeHair, I definitely understand the hype. This wig has been so easy, so low maintenance. Like, even after I curl the hair, the curls last for days. I don't even have to recurl the hair or continue putting heat in the hair, because the curls actually last, and it really gives like that true body wave definition. Which look are you guys feeling more, the hair down or the hair in the half up, half down? Let me know if you guys have tried a LuvmeHair, or if you guys want to give this wig a try. I definitely recommend it. This is a 10 out of 10 wig for me, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you, LuvmeHair. Make sure y'all click that link down below.